Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Vlog with Disha. So I am in Pune, one of my most favorite city. I'm back home after 4 months, and honestly Pune has caught my eyes since day one. I reached here yesterday, like a day before yesterday that I'm vlogging, and honestly as you can see the background already, मैं अपने फ्लैट के नीचे खड़ी हुई हूँ and I'm telling you, I'm in love with this city. What's with Pune in the month of July, August? बारिश का मौसम है, and you can see already it's so प्यारा. Yeah. So I was thinking, I should vlog it out because why not? I'm home, and here we go. I'm gonna record every little things, all the moments, all the precious moments of Pune. And my friend is gonna come, so maybe I'm gonna record her too. I know you're gonna get offended, but never mind. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I mean already just check out this view. I mean not that, but yeah, check out this. Check out the clouds. I mean, oh my god, I feel like I'm in Lonavala or something. I don't know, but yeah, it's giving that. It's actually giving that. Huh. I can't wait to meditate over here. I can't wait to just sit and chill and just, listen to some good music and just have fun. I mean, wow. Isn't it so beautiful? And my mountains are here. First of all, I miss them, man. I miss them like hell a lot. It's just so pretty. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day. मैं उस दिन कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाई अपना व्लॉग बिकॉज काफ़ी बारिश होने लग गई थी एंड अपेरेंटली माई फ्रेंड गॉट सिक. सो फाइनली आई थॉट चलो आज तो करना है. इट्स ऑल्सो वीकेंड सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई फ्रेंड. शी इज़ गेटिंग रेडी क्योंकि हाँ वो बहुत बीमार थी इतने दिनों से एंड फाइनली शी इज़ फीलिंग बेटर. तो वी आर गोइंग डाउन to sit near the pool and just chill. Say hi. चलो चलते हैं. It's missing all of these vibes इतना ज़्यादा ना. Like I'm coming here after 4 months and I miss swimming. I miss the vibe here. It's just so pretty. अभी तो काफ़ी बारिश हो रही है, सो वी डिसाइडेड नॉट टू स्विम. पहले इतनी ठंड हो रखी है दैट आई डोंट थिंक सो हमें अभी वापस बीमार पड़ना है बिकॉज अभी ही कुछ दिनों पहले आया हैड हाई फीवर एंड आई एम डन गिविंग अप ऑन ऑल द एडवेंचरस थिंग फॉर नाउ. सो वी आर जस्ट गोना चिल, सिट नियर द पूल एंड रिलैक्स. How soothing it is, honestly. Just feel like yeah, आराम से ऐसी शांति से just sit and talk. And वैसे भी आज जरना जा रही है, so we need some conversation.
First of all, I'm sick.
इतनी बीमार है यार वो. And still she came here कि हाँ चलो पूल में जाते हैं बिकॉज दिशा को जा रहे हैं. Don't forget. चलो हम बैठते हैं एंड विल रिकॉर्ड एंड विल हैव सम टॉक. अभी वी नीड आवर टाइम. raining right now and just look at the vibe. ऐसा लग रहा है भीगना चाहिए but she's बीमार.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
मुझे एक्चुअली भीगने का
मुझे
मन
सही
नहीं है.
सलामत घर पहुँचना है.
हाँ उसकी आज ट्रेन है.
It's raining guys.
ये आज भीगते हैं ना. तुम लोग मेरे टाइम पे ही मत भीगा करो.
तो हमारे टाइम पे आ कहाँ जाती है? बेटा मेरा बहुत भीगा है. We are going up right now because we had a good time. कैसे lazy सा day जा रहा है, you know, just ऐसे simply living वाला. For some reason we don't have the energy also and we just wanna relax only. क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ days होते हैं ना जिसमें you just don't wanna do anything but just keep going. Because that's the day. So, how was your time in Pune? 3 दिन. वैसे तो तू बीमार थी. बीमारी मगर
अभी ठीक है? High hopes Zarna.
चले गए.
Hey guys, hi again. मैं वापस ही vlog कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ and Zarna left. She left yesterday and I finally got the energy today to actually pick up my phone, start my camera and vlog because I don't know, it's been a really slow Sunday for me and I just feel so relaxed that I did not even felt like recording myself. But I was like, okay, let's just continue. Let's just add a clip into the video and let it flow. So yeah, here I'm recording myself. Zanna, like she left yesterday and then I was just having a good Sunday, adoring the mountains, clouds. It rained a lot. और मुझे ब्लैंकेट से निकलने की इच्छा ही नहीं हो रही थी for some reason. So yeah, that happened. And today my neighbor was going out, so they just gave me their cats, like 2 kittens and the mom obviously. So they are here with me today and yeah, I was just all day, like I was just spending my day with them apparently. And yeah, that's how my Sunday went. So they're still here. I guess they're gonna go at 11 p.m. probably. I don't know, 11 or 12. But yeah. And what else? I thought chalo थोड़ी गपशप थोड़ी बातें हो जाए because okay. हाँ, पता नहीं ये weekend ना थोड़ा ऐसे ही हो रहा है. For some reason, I don't know, it's because of the weather we can say or because of the aura or maybe because of too much thandi. But yeah, it just feels like just cozily sitting in your blanket and you know having all those cozy vibes around, having a hot chocolate cup in your hand, and literally I'm in that mode. I was just watched a movie. The name was Shrikant and it was nice.
रियली नाइस. नेटफ्लिक्स मैंने खोला एंड मुझे कुछ अच्छा ऐसे लग ही नहीं रहा था, मतलब मिल ही नहीं रहा था. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट मोस्ट ऑफ अ टाइम जस्ट गो वेस्टेड when we select the movies or anything. So I was just like, okay, जो भी पहला होगा top 10 पे, I'll just select it and I'll just start playing. And it ended out to be a really beautiful movie and really really inspiring. So yeah, it was nice. And I really wanted to add the clips, yeah, but ना आज मेरी बाहर निकलने की हिम्मत भी नहीं हुई. एंड ऊपर से I had this kittens and उन्हें अकेला भी नहीं छोड़ सकते थे, तो I did not feel like going outside. So मैं घर पे ही थी. And even now I'm at home. I guess it's night. It's like around 9 and 10 and I'm vlogging now after the whole day. But never mind, I'm here for a few days, so I'll just have a relaxing time because yes, now that I finally feel ऐसे cozy and calm and so relaxed, so yeah, why not. Baki, I hope you guys are doing well at your side. My friend video called me in between, like today, and then he was telling me that, oh my god, it's like too hot in the another part of the country. And I was like, damn, because yaha in Pune it's like you can't exist without your blanket or your sweater or your jacket or something, because, and especially if you're living just in front of the mountains, then definitely not at all possible. And then when I was just listening, and then मुझे ऐसा लगा कि shit man, what's कितना बड़ा difference होता है sometimes. It's just, but anyway, I hope वहाँ बारिश जल्दी हो, all part of the India जहाँ भी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही हो, because I can understand the why, because I belong from Nagpur and I know Nagpur में भी बहुत लेट आती है बारिश. and होता है, it's like very बहुत गर्मी. so there are some part of the country जहाँ पे ऐसे बहुत गर्मी होती है, but then come to Puri. okay, बहुत ज़्यादा बात हो गई. now just get back to the vlog. but just update देनी थी, so I was recording myself, nothing else. बाकी yeah, you can check out the rest of the vlog. Chalo, good night. I'm gonna end this day here and I'll continue tomorrow. So मैं उसे पकड़ के लेके आई because she always runs away. Look, even now she wanna get. नहीं रुकेगी वो. So it's evening and another day, and I told you that कि मेरी एनर्जी बदल जाएंगी, राइट. आई वाज सुपर लो yesterday, but yeah, I'm super happy today because I'm at my favorite location. This is the place where I meditate, as you can see, and the clouds above. So I meditate over here and it's like quite a very beautiful place. I'll show you. It's a whole green garden, and usually I used to sit here in the morning and just have my time reading. I also used to dance over here. So yes, and abhi I feel like I should just keep my phone somewhere and record because I want to have my time, because फिर शाम हो जाएगी, बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा हो जाएगा, and then I'll miss. मैं एक दिन इतना ऐसे valuable जी रही हूँ ना. It's like I just don't want to miss out on things. I just don't want to miss out on evening. So yes, let's just keep my phone somewhere. Let's just read a book. I also bought my book. I'll show you. And हाँ, तो चलते हैं. चालू. Hey guys, so I was reading the book and suddenly मुझे एक line मिली and I thought why not to share with you all. So actually the book is all about, let me tell you about the book as I said earlier. So the name of the book is The Habit of Winning. It's by Prakash Iyer and a national bestseller. So actually the chapter that I was reading was about mental barriers. So how we create mental barriers and we think that we cannot do something and we actually end up doing nothing. So it's like that. The quote was, if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, then you are right. You can't. So it's all about mindset, you know, how it's all the game of your mind, and how it's all dependent on the mental barriers that you create for yourself and how you fight through it. So yes, it was just a very beautiful concept, and I really liked it personally, because anything related to mental health is a gem for me. You're a psychology student. So yes, I was saying ki sorry. Yeah. So let me get back now. I just wanted to share this.